Hello, I am Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's IELTS Institute. Today I'm going to talk about some of the common mistakes done by the IELTS students while attempting their test. Let's start with the listening first. Listening is the thing where you have to concentrate more, and sometimes students fail to catch some important part while going with the listening part, as they're trying to catch the gone word, the word which is missed, and in that case they lose the next whole conversation. And do you know how many questions they miss? It is more than 4 to 5. So here I can use a quotation that think listening like a bird which can be caught by neck, not by the tail. If you are catching it by tail, you will be losing many other words or many other question answers. So be aware about this. Try to be attentive while attempting your test in IELTS listening. Second is your spelling mistakes. Have you ever thought that your I looks like E and then N looks like R, or R is not properly seen, A is sometimes it is not properly seen. So you have to be attentive while writing. So every word should be properly distinguished. So you have to write every word properly. I don't ask you to go with the cursive handwriting and very beautiful handwriting or go for the calligraphy. No, it is not required. You just have to write clean so that every word should be properly understandable or readable. Then the third is untidy handwriting. So sometimes your writing is so missed, so bad that examiner or it is not caught by the computer. Now come with the fourth one, that is leaving some blanks undone. So sometimes you are able to get some of the words, but still you feel that cannot be the accurate word. So you miss that and you leave that blank undone. So it's important that suppose you are having some of the idea, you should write that because there is no negative mark. So we are not at risk if we're writing some of the words which are our assumption it may be true. So why not to write this? Then next is lack of concentration. The biggest mistake while attempting IELTS listening is lack of concentration. You have to move with the speaker. But what happens when we find that many things that are written in the text, so we feel that it is already written and the examiner or speaker will speak the answers clearly, but you miss that because while going in your ideas or your imagination, you are not able to focus on that particular part and you miss important answer which was spoken by the speaker very slowly. And next is maps. So maps is found very difficult by many of the students. Students' maps can be easily done if you follow my instruction. That is that you have to concentrate more, and once the speaker starts speaking, he is going to explain the map, you should put your pencil and move on the directions the speaker is directing you. In that case, you will not miss any of the point there and you will be able to do your map in a correct form. And the last is MCQs, which are very scary and every student is scared of that. So the biggest recommendation for that is that you should read only the question which is asked. Do not go with the options. Students, what happens when you start reading the options also, you get confused. You try to find those words which are not the right answer. So in that case, you get confused and will not be able to find the right answer. If you follow all these instructions, hopefully you will be able to do your listening with flying colors, and it is very easy to get 9 out of 9 in listening. Many of my students have got 9 bands in listening and it is very easy. Good luck. I wish you all that you should score the best in your exam listening. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Stay connected. Happy learning. And one important instruction. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it now so that you should get the latest update and the notification whenever we are uploading any video on our YouTube channel. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you again very soon.